So my sister is here to pick me up, and I'm going. Mummy, you can close the door, please. Mummy, close the gate. Ooh. Alright, it's here. You are late. Where you love boat? Where you love boat? Me and my camera? It doesn't leave my side. Oh man, I don't have to put it, I just have to take footage. Bye, Mummy. See you later.
Morning, Miss Auntie Ru. How are you? Them a do virtual church one day?
Them a
Call
go
people
church.
still at the church? Oh.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Hi. How are you?
So guys, I'm by my sister's house and we're going to make breakfast. Plantain. It's a bit dark in here, but you can see we're going to make plantain, and we have avocado. You right? Pear. You right, man, tough so? Okay. You tough, man.
Right, man, it's good ripe.
Okay. So we're gonna peel the plantain now.
I got peeling.
You wanna peel it and fry? Peel it.
How much I fry too?
No, how much me for fry? How much me for cut out? Alright. So that's Auntie Sherrod is frying the plant. This is our breakfast, guys.
It's not
avocado,
too small. It's not
fried
tiny.
egg,
It's not
fried
tiny.
plantain,
It's not tiny.
and bread.
My chair's not tiny. It's
Your
just
chair is not
big.
tiny. It's big. Where is
Yeah.
it? What are you drinking, Clarice? What do you have in your cup?
Milk.
Milk. Alright, let's eat. Alright, so we'll just eat the breakfast and so we'll fry.
I'm going to make a car wash.
Thank you, Lord.
Say, man, try reach by me, Jay.
Thank you, Lord, for giving us food and right when
There
we
is a love this.
Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Right where we are, amen. Who wants crackers? Nice crackers. Hi guys, we're back. So my big sister is doing my hair. We've just started, so it's not very far, but guys, look at that. I can't wait to rock my braids. Precision. What you say, sister? Clarice, what are you looking at? Clarice is looking at the camera. Clarice, you have to come next to me. Come next to us, and then you can see yourself on the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. And Clarice, when are you going to get your hair done?
I got it done
You got it done, but when are you going to redo it?
today.
Really? Who is going to do it?
Tomorrow.
Okay, 2 days. So, Auntie Sherrod, there's a hot topic going around. What do you want to share about it?
Hot topic? What?
Nico,
Nico, you mash up my life.
Oh my God.
That's the only topic me know.
You
Nico mash up your life.
I want to hear about Nico mash up my life.
Nico mash up Clarice's life.
Clarice, you focus on building that house, please.
No, me go mash up. Me go mash up my house.
Nico, go mash up your house.
Me go mash up my house.
Nico mash up your house.
Hi guys, we had to leave the house because Auntie Sherrod is selling this van. So we are now moving houses. We're going somewhere else. Say hello, Auntie Sherrod.
Hello.
Yes, say hello, Clarice.
Hello.
And we're still not finished. So we'll see you later.
We're still not finished. We will see you later.
home and look what's going on in the kitchen. Somebody's cooking. I was supposed to fry the chicken, but somebody wasn't patient enough. But
Supper and Sunday.
look what's going on in the kitchen. Chanel? So what's this? What's this salad about?
It's a tossed salad.
It's a tossed salad, yes.
A nice rolled garnish on top.
Mmm.
Cucumbers
Mmm.
saturated in salt
Mmm.
on the side.
Mmm. Sounds delicious.
Yummy.
And what's going on over here? What's going on here? Miss Chambers? Miss Chambers, come on, man, and tap it.
No, put me on the camera.
You're not the punny.
That's sorry.
You're not the punny. You are not on it. You're not on any camera. It's off. What's going on? What are you making? So, she's frying chicken. Ow! It's hot. She has fried chicken. Mommy, this stove hot. Where's something there? So, fried chicken and rice and peas. Look how beautiful that rice and peas look. I'm going to zoom into it so much. Not zoom, but make it close. Like what, Claire? Rice and peas. You have your thyme and your escallion. And that's dinner. Mommy, you never make nothing else. You never make it upstairs. What do you want? Mommy, camera roll.
I want something else. I want candy. I love candy. Why did you let me in the
Why did
rain?
you let Clarice in the rain?
Okay, come on, Clarice. Don't break it. Clarice, no. You're going to hour the plant. You're going to hurt the plant. Don't break it, okay?
Go out of
Yeah, go inside. And mommy, you know, see no more okra.
No, this is all.
Let me see.
This is all.
Hold on, hold it up. Let me see. Wow, good farming. This is my mother's small garden.
No, Clarice.
Clarice, no.
Nobody there so the rain can't catch them.
No, they can't need.
And she's making a small compost here, but you can't really see it properly because it's new.
Okay, let the plants. Hey, what is this?
This is okra tree.
What is
This
this
is
here?
papaya.
What is here?
That is what that name again, mommy? Aloe vera.
Here,
Aloe.
here.
Though it's
Here.
prickly calories.
Prickly.
Oh, she said this is tuna. This is not aloe vera.
Prickly
This is
calories.
tuna. This
I
is
said that was
tomato,
prickly calories.
and she reaps a lot of things off them.
Prickly.
Tomato tree. This is the okra again. You like okra, mommy? This is okra again. These are ornamental plants. This too near. You put this in a pot. You need to take this out. Okra. And the corn is around the corner.
Well, I'll crawl off a square of a bite.
Let's go to the back garden, Clarice.
Okay.
This is gungo.
Let's go
Gungo.
to the back of the garden.
Yes, come.
Let's go.
Gungo. And we're enjoying the weather because it's about to rain, so it cools the place down. Thank you, Lord.
We're
This is
getting on the farm.
Again, okra. No, not okra. Gungo, beans, corn, okra. She likes okra, obviously, and that's more corn. Oh, this is the aloe vera. This is the aloe vera. And this is mint. This is mint. And this is fever grass. The fever grass is struggling. Fever grass is struggling. and mint. If you know anything about these things, it's very hard to catch this one. Very hard. This is what we got from the farm. What we got from the farm.
Corn. Corn.
Corn cousin. Corn second cousin. Corn great grandma. And okras. Oh god. Alright, Claire. Alright, let's go inside now because it's about to rain.